This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by Kevin J. Bisceglia. You have to see this completely refurbished, mid-century two-story home located at 403 Tennessee Avenue in Pineville, KY. This home has had a room-by-room restoration. On the first floor as you enter the front door there is a large family room with a beautiful fireplace. To the right you walk into a wonderfully decorated sunroom and sitting room. On through the first floor there is a large dining room, then onto a kitchen that has been completely remodeled from floor to ceiling. There's a full bath on the first floor and another sitting room that leads into the library. Up the stairs to the second floor, where the whole level has been refurbished, including the 3 bedrooms, the playroom, the large dressing room with half bath, and the full bath. The basement is completely refurbished, including the. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin J. Bisceglia at 606-248-4932.